So in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic right now, I want to talk about what we're seeing on the Amazon side of things. So Amazon brands are seeing a lot of different challenges, right, with the coronavirus, but one of the ones that were just brought to our attention from Helium 10 was they noticed that negative seller feedbacks have more than doubled since the pandemic started. And so that means a lot of different things, and that can really hurt your business. So we're seeing a lot of more negativity and negative reviews. Who knows? Maybe people just sitting at home watching too much news or whatever. They just have more time on their hands to leave these negative reviews. Another big one was, there's been a lot of slower ship times out there. And with those slow ship times, they used to be Amazon FBA Prime eligible items and that you were selling, and then all of a sudden Amazon was having slow shipment times, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks sometimes. And so customers, have been complaining, maybe not knowing the full circumstances of that, and they can leave a seller feedback negative whenever they want, right? And so, what I would recommend is that you check out, your seller feedback ratings recently in the past month or two, and see, if any negative ones have come in, especially at a higher rate than usual. This can really make a big impact and affect your business in a lot of ways. So number one, your seller feedback rating, it helps determine whether or not you win the buy box. So if you've ever lost the buy box before to another reseller or someone else, or sometimes you can even lose the buy box when there's no other resellers. It's just you, but Amazon won't give you the buy box. Well, oftentimes the reason is that you've gotten too many negative seller feedbacks, like you've had bad shipment times or bad ratings from customers, and that can be devastating to your sales. And if it gets bad enough, we've seen Amazon actually suspend listings and take listings down and ban those products temporarily from selling until they do a review or until they fix it. So it can really be devastating to your sales, and so you want to, it's not the most fun topic, but you want to be proactive and you want to stay on top of it, okay? Also wanted to mention as well that seller feedback ratings also affect your eligibility for certain Amazon programs. There's certain Amazon deals and promotions out there and different programs that you have to have certain high KPIs and ratings for seller feedback as one of them in order to qualify. And so that's just another thing that really might hurt your business. And then also wanted to mention what can you do if you get a negative seller feedback? So there are things you can do to be proactive about it. So number one is you can dispute it and try to get it removed if it's not a true seller feedback. So one example is that seller feedbacks are really intended to judge the seller, not the product itself. So if they leave a product review in your seller feedback, like they said, oh, the product was whatever, it was too big, it was bigger than I thought it would have been, or it wasn't what I expected. That's a product review about your product, and so you can usually get that removed pretty easily, so you can dispute that. Also, if you have any negative feedback on FBA ship times, that can be another good thing for you to get removed, especially in the past month or two. I bet some of you have some negative seller feedbacks for that reason right there. Because again, that's not on you, that's on Amazon FBA. So you should be able to get that removed. Also, if anyone starts cursing at you or uses obscene language in their seller feedback, that's another reason that you can get it removed as well. So I think that was all that I wanted to cover. I mean, there's additional things that you can do, and just make sure you're monitoring this stuff proactively. Someone on your team needs to be doing that, or use a software to get that done. But then someone needs to take action on it regularly. And so if you have any questions on this, or you're not sure if it applies to you, or you've got any examples where you've been unable to do this, or you're not sure how, feel free to just leave a comment, or you can email us, or you can you can contact us on our website. If you have any questions, we're happy to help there. So if you need to get a hold of us, you can go to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/call, and we'll try to help you out there. So anyways, I hope that was really helpful for you guys. And again, please stay healthy and safe out there, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.